we don't need no competition in the industry, I think, because we're always trying to compete, and I think is kind of up. I don't know if I can say that word, but it's kind of messed up because it kills your creativity, it kills your passion, it kills ideas, it kills a lot of things, and then while you're competing, other people just come from underneath and just take over. So competition kills your dream. So we need to stop competing. It's not sports, it's music. There's space for everybody. You only compete during sports, I think. There's no need for competition. Everybody should just do their thing, you know. Yeah, so I think when you're trying to compete is when you don't have confidence in your shit. I mean, stay on your lane, do your thing. If you want to drop music after 1 year, drop it. Nobody's chasing you, you know. Do your thing. Live by inspiration. Music is inspiration. So if you're doing music like back to back to back, that's no more music. That's you just trying to make money. Yeah, so basically that's exactly what I think.